Best deals.
1. Snack container. Smartly designed stackable container that lets you store multiple snacks separately in one compact unit. Each stacked layer has a secure airtight seal to keep food fresh, crisp, and moisture-free. Perfect for dry fruits, biscuits, namkeen, chips. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Saucepan. 3 layers of metals from base to rim. Scratch and rust resistant surface. No dents or bulging. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Prevents burning of food up to 90%. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coconut breaker. Made with strong premium stainless steel and designed with a sturdy structure. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Glass water bottles. Flip-top bottles are made from thick and durable glass for optimum resistance to impact and temperature changes. White cap is made from premium quality polypropylene and wire cap is made from stainless steel. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cheese grater. Is expertly crafted from premium stainless steel, ensuring lasting durability and efficiency in your kitchen. This vegetable grater for the kitchen can handle tough tasks, from ginger crushing to cheese slicing, with ease. This versatile Kisney kitchen steel tool functions as both a carrot grater and ginger garlic crusher. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Saucepan. The unique curved body makes it easy to stir dishes which are otherwise difficult to stir in the utensils with vertical walls. It is ideal for cooking a wide range of dishes such as pulao, biryani, vegetables, dals, soups, stews, curries and desserts. The 4.06 mm thick base and sides of the cook can serve handy, spread heat evenly and retain warmth for a long time, making them excellent utensils for both cooking and serving. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Oil pourer. Ensures precise pouring with an elegant design, making every kitchen task easier and more enjoyable. Say goodbye to messy countertops and enjoy seamless cooking experiences with leak-proof features that keep your kitchen spotless. Enjoy the timeless sophistication of a stainless steel oil dispenser that complements any kitchen. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Scissors. With sharp 5 blades, it also can cut paper, card, mail and more. Be your mini shredder for home or office. The sharp blade cuts food quickly. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Lunch box. Each container is designed to be 100% leak-proof, maintaining the freshness of your meals and preventing any spills, ideal for both kids' lunch box for school and adults' office needs. A great solution for kids' tiffin box for school and adults, whether it's packing for work or picnics. These lunchboxes serve men, women, and kids alike with ease and functionality. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Organizer. There is a zipper diagonally across the bottom, just need zip to use it. Zipper can help keep its square shape and allows you to fold when not in use, saving a lot of space. This set of foldable cloth storage bins is made of non-woven and cardboard material, with the feature of durable, breathable, environmentally friendly and anti-wrinkle free. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Toothbrush holders. You can use it to organize toothbrushes, toothpaste, comb, makeup brush, lotion, shaver, and sink areas in the kitchen, bathroom, and living room, dressing room, kids' room. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Serving tray. The snack box is made of high-quality acrylic plastic. Can help families store any food safely. Removable compartments for easy cleaning and quick sorting. This reusable divided veggie tray with lid is best for carrying a variety of snacks. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Tumbler. Wide mouth design allows quick filling and also quick cleaning to maintain hygiene. It is food-grade stainless steel and very light in weight to carry. This tumbler set is safe, sturdy and efficient at storing your beverages for longer periods of time, as it is completely BPA-free. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Snack maker. Unique design with 7 compartments for making various snacks at the same time. This non-stick tawa is specifically designed for preparing uttapa, mini pancakes, coin pizza and many more. It is a useful addition to your kitchen space. It comes with attractive look, which adds your kitchen's grace. Its top coat is for the most durable non-stick effect. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Egg boiler. Prepare your eggs just the way you like them. Soft and runny, hard-boiled, medium consistency, the egg boiler can do it all. You can use the measuring cup to add the exact quantity of water that is required for a particular mode. The measuring cup comes with a piercing pin. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Coconut scraper. Smooth, fast scraping with a strong blade. The sharp cast iron blade is balanced to give fine, fluffy coconut in seconds, without applying force. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Idli cooker. Stackable pots and nesting lids save precious kitchen space. Streamline your cooking experience, urge for high durability, easy to wash and clean, rust-proof and hygienic. Ergonomic handles stay cool, offering a secure grip. Tempered glass lid seals in flavors. No more kitchen accidents. The sleek design adds elegance to your kitchen while saving valuable counter space. A perfect balance of form and function. Premium stainless steel multi-pot with even heat distribution for perfect meals every time. Suitable for all cooking surfaces. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Dish drying rack. Made from high-quality stainless steel with anti-rust coating for long-lasting durability and daily kitchen use. Designed to drain excess water directly into the sink, keeping your kitchen counter dry and clean. Separate holder for spoons, forks, knives, and small utensils for hygienic and organized drying. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Basket. Is made of much more high-grade silicone material for our customer, non-stick, non-toxic, BPA-free. This is double basket air fryer liners, which is highly heat-resistant material that withstands up to 464 degrees F. We made this air fryer silicone liners reusable and washable and also highly focused on certified food-safe material. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Tablecloth. High-density fabric, heavy material that drapes nicely, is thick and wear-resistant, effectively protecting your table from scratches and stains. This tablecloth uses natural and environmental-friendly dyes, perfect for dining occasions and does not harm to children and pets, suitable for a variety of occasions, like dinner table, book desk, coffee table. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Toothbrush holder. Are designed to hold items on their fingers or wrists. The cute mouse hand shape adds a fun touch to storage while doubling as a charming decoration for bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, offices, and even cars. Designed with strong suction hooks, these mouse hand hooks can be attached and removed without leaving marks. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cookware. Made with high-quality German PFOA-free non-stick, firmly locked into the tough hard anodized surface using a unique patented process, it is safer, stronger and lasts longer than ordinary non-stick. The extra thick tri-ply metal spreads heat evenly and ensures durability. Sturdy, stay cool riveted handles provide comfort and will not loosen. Dishwasher safe, with a glass lid featuring a silicone rim and knob to trap steam, cook faster and make food tastier. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Sponge mop. Easy squeeze handle allows true one-handed use. Simply push and pull to rinse the mop head instantly, keeping hands clean and dry. This foldable sponge mop easily removes dirt, stains, grease, and spills from kitchen counters, mirrors, glass, and even car interiors. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Glass jars. These containers not only make your kitchen look elegant, but also make it plastic-free. Glass containers are important in every kitchen as you need to preserve dry as well as food items like pickles to keep them safe from moisture, dust, and for long-term storage. Has jars see trough window glass jars so you can clearly see the inside contents. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Cast iron tawa. Made from 100% natural cast iron cookware, this cast iron tawa is a 100% healthy cookware, food safe without chemicals, coatings or toxins. Feel the difference in taste of dosas made in cast iron tawa. Restaurant chefs use cast iron tawa to make dosa, roti for mouth-watering dishes. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Water bottle. Stylish and modern, ideal for home, office, gym, or school settings. Built-in compartment for tea bags, snacks, vitamins, or small essentials. Designed for worry-free portability in your bag or backpack. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Glass spice jar. Each jar comes with a corrosion-resistant metal screw lid that keeps contents fresh and secure. Ideal for storing spices, condiments, snacks, or even votives, offering versatile functionality. Made with crack-resistant, food-grade glass, ensuring long-lasting use and easy maintenance. The clear glass allows for easy visibility of contents without needing to open the lid. Each jar includes a secure metal lid that locks in freshness and keeps out moisture, perfect for storing tea, coffee, cookies, or dry snacks. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Wiper. Whether it is under the bed, under the sofa, in the corner of the window, or under the locker, as long as the height is greater than 2, the whole house can be easily cleaned. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Paneer Maker Mold. Made from high quality, rust-resistant, and food-safe stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. Designed to give you uniformly shaped and compact blocks of paneer or tofu for professional-looking results. Features a user-friendly lid and base design for easy assembly and cleaning. Dishwasher safe for added convenience. Includes a simple process using cheesecloth or cotton cloth, bringing a traditional cooking method into your modern kitchen. Efficient design allows you to drain excess liquid effortlessly, leaving perfectly pressed and compact paneer or tofu. Not just for paneer and tofu, it's also ideal for sprouting and draining curd or other soft cheeses. Make fresh, preservative-free paneer and tofu at home, perfect for health-conscious diets and creative recipes. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Slicer. Versatile vegetable cutter comes with 3 interchangeable stainless steel blades for slicing, julienne cutting, coarse grating, and fine grating to handle all your food prep needs. Features easy-to-switch blade inserts that allow you to slice vegetables, shred cheese, julienne carrots, and grate potatoes, onions, and other ingredients with precision. Vertical design with top-loading chute enables quick and effortless cutting of vegetables, fruits, cheese, and nuts whilst keeping your hands safe from sharp blades. Detachable components are dishwasher safe for hassle-free cleaning, and the compact design with integrated storage container makes it convenient to store in any kitchen. Its durable and sturdy ensure longevity and durability without any hassle-free experience after years of use. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Masala box. Food-grade steel, with see-through lid, rust-proof and hygienic. The masala boxes for kitchen are commonly used to keep spices such as cumin seeds, cardamom, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chilies, coriander powder and much more. It can be used to store and serve roti, cookie, papad, khakra, chocolates, cakes, bread or herb canister. Masala Dani has airtight acrylic unbreakable lid to avoid any accidental cracks. Preserves freshness and prevent contamination of spices. Does not get loose, tight with usage. This masala box comes with 9 inner containers, 8 small and 1 large with middle partition, with individual lids on it, which prevent mixing of masala, spices. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Squeegee. Also great for squeegeeing wet countertops and sinks, cleaning crumbs off of countertops, and even cleaning excess water in the bathroom. Flexible squeegee edge efficiently clears leftover food from plates and bowls. Shaped for control and featuring a non-slip, comfortable grip. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Storage box. Engineered with high-quality internal support, these bins maintain their shape even when empty. The collapsible design allows you to fold the box flat when not in use, saving valuable space in your closet, under the bed, or in the nursery. Keep your belongings pristine. The integrated lid ensures that your clothes, blankets, and towels remain protected from dust. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Tawa. Cookware retains the advantages of cooking on stainless steel surfaces while eliminating the disadvantages of sticking and burning that come with normal stainless steel, food-grade stainless steel that is extremely hygienic, durable and non-reactive to most foods. It does not pit or corrode. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Oil diffuser. The combination of flame night light and fog creates a realistic flame effect. One button control to select two modes of violent flame and soft flame. Add a warm and romantic atmosphere to the room. If it is turned off in a short time, please use a 5 volts 2A plug adapter. It can operate for about 8 hours when filled with water. Product link is given in the 35th link.